In today's session, we'll learn about difference between hot rolling and cold rolling process. In hot rolling process, metal is passing through two rolls, rotating in opposite direction at uniform peripheral speed. In hot rolling process, temperature is kept at above recrystallization temperature. In this process, the space between rolls is adjusted and is always less than thickness of metal is being fed. When metal passes through rolls, there is change in its grain structure. Here recrystallization temperature prevents metal from work hardening, and due to this, hot roll metal does not show work hardening effect. Due to squeezing action, the grains are elongated in direction of rolling and velocity of material at exit is higher than that at entry. In cold rolling process, the metal is fed into rolls when its temperature is below recrystallization temperature. Here cold rolling process employed for providing smooth and bright surface finish to previously hot rolled metal. Before cold rolling process, the hot roll product are cleaned through pickling and other operations. Here part being rolled is generally annealed and pickled before final pass is made so as to bring it accurate size and obtain perfectly clean surface. In hot rolling process, coefficient of friction between rolls and metal is higher, where in cold rolling process, coefficient of friction between rolls and metals is lower. In hot rolling process, heavy reduction in size is possible, where in cold rolling process, heavy reduction in size is not possible. In hot rolling process, closed dimensional tolerances cannot obtain, where in cold rolling process, section dimensions can be finished to closed tolerances. The surface finish in hot rolling process is poor, but in cold rolling process, smooth and oxidized free surface finish can be obtained. In hot rolling process, roll metal does not show work hardening effect, where in cold rolling process, roll metal show work hardening effect.